In a cozy living room, two sibling cats engage in their daily dose of mischief, much to their humans' amusement. It all begins with a surprise stealth attack. The older cat, Muffin, hidden behind the couch, suddenly pounces on his unsuspecting sister, Biscuit. Caught off guard, Biscuit makes an impressive leap worthy of an internet meme, complete with a mid-air twist. Not to be outdone, Biscuit soon plots her playful revenge, slyly nudging a dangling string just out of Muffin's reach, causing him to hilariously tumble off the arm of the sofa while trying to catch it. Their human watches, laughing at these shenanigans, as the furry siblings eventually call a truce, curling up together for a nap, their antics leaving a trail of giggles in their wake.